Hey folks, Aksham this side from AceIPM. I'm Koikore's BMSAT response sheets are now out, and this is how you can calculate your score in just one click. To check your response sheet, you need to go on IIM Koikore's website. Over here, you click on IMK BMSAT objection form. Once you click there, you need to log in with your details. Once you have logged in, you will come on a page like this. You need to go on candidate response and click over here. Click here to generate it. Once you do that, a pop-up will open up. The pop-up will look something like this. All you need to do is go on the URL tab, just copy the URL which is given over here, and after that you come on our website, which is imk.aceipm.com. You enter the response sheet URL here, your mobile number as well as your category. Once you have selected that, you need to click on calculate my score. Once you have done that, you will have your scores calculated in just one click. You don't have to do the calculation manually. It will show what all questions did you get right, what all questions did you get wrong, your overall rank in the leaderboard, which is also anonymized. So you'll have all these details available over here, and you can also bifurcate it by category. That is about it. If in case you have any questions, you can drop it down in the comment section. I'll see you in another one. Till then, stay safe, take care, all the very best, and bye-bye. Thank you so much.